This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing resources so improvements stick. First, delete large files and uninstall unused apps until you have 10% free, or about 20 GB. Once done, open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup apps to cut boot time. Next, install pending Windows updates and update key drivers, especially graphics and storage controllers, because newer drivers reduce CPU and I/O overhead and prevent slowdowns during normal use. Now focus on system-level tweaks that make everyday tasks snappier. Change the power plan to balanced or high performance and set maximum CPU to 99% to avoid core parking. This keeps responsiveness higher. For SSD, ensure trim is enabled and schedule optimize drives weekly to reduce latency. Then open System Properties Performance and disable animations and transparency, or choose Adjust for best performance, because fewer visual effects free up GPU and CPU cycles for apps you actually use. Finish by cleaning and policing background work. Run Storage Sense or Disk Cleanup to remove temp, system, and previous Windows files, then reinstall only the apps you need. Inspect services and background tasks, disable non-essential ones via services. MSC, but make one change at a time to avoid breaking features. Finally, create a restore point. If performance drops after a change, roll back the driver or use the restore point to revert. This is the quickest, reliable recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.